Welcome to Scape Room Tours. My name is Stephanie and today I will show you our beautiful rooms at Scape Toowong. This is the 2-bedroom apartment at Scape Toowong. Each of you will have your own private bedroom. In your room, you have a double-sized bed with a bedside table, a smart TV, a study desk with shelves above and storage below, and also a large wardrobe. In the shared kitchen space, we have an induction cooktop, a sink, a microwave and grill, plenty of storage, and a full-size fridge and freezer. In the shared bathroom, you have everything you need. It's designed to be easy to clean with an adjustable shower, a cabinet where you can store your toiletries, toilet, sink, and a full-length mirror.